coolant hose is leaking, and I can see whoever was in here last didn't fully seat the hose going onto the water pump. So what I'm going to start doing is draining the coolant from the radiator so I don't get soaked. And then I'll start removing the upper radiator hose. Okay, next step after draining the coolant out of the radiator was to move the intake tube. So there was an 8 mil right there, 8 mil here, and then also an 8 mil there that I had to undo. And then this connector here. And then you can move the whole intake out of the way. Then you get access to your upper radiator hose. And that's held in by an 8 mil band and another 8 mil over there. So after you loosen up those band clamps, you should be able to just pull them off. Pull the hose off on both sides here. I also had to take out this 10 millimeter nut holding the AC line in place because I couldn't get to the band clamp. But then you should be able to just pull it right off. Alright, so after I put the new hose in, I put the intake back on. I had to kind of rig the hose because the little piece that was supposed to be holding it broke. So I used a zip tie and got it away from the pulleys. But now I'm going to vacuum fill the whole system with coolant, making sure it's holding right now. And then I got my pre-diluted coolant around here somewhere. And I'm just going to start filling it up.